Come test drive the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front all-season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.